This is Hazel today. That's Mama ducking out of the picture. Hey Hazel. Do you want to say anything to Jessie? What do you want? That's a nice smile. What do you want to say?
I made you a card.
Oh, that's great. Here, do you want to show her the envelope and then say you're going to get this in the mail?
Oh yeah, look at that. That's so great.
You pointed at me?
It is pointed at you.
No.
We can't.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to tape it and mail
We're
it
gonna
to
tape
you?
it closed.
Okay. What else do you want to say
Tape
to
it
Jessie?
right now.
Okay.
Oh, we have to put right one little thing left in it. Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Whoop. Where are you going?
I'm supposed to Daddy. Turn it around.
Turn it around. Like that?
Not like
Oh, you mean like this?
this.
There you are.
Where's that?
Now you can see yourself.
Where's that?
Oh, Jessie's not there, but we're going to send this to her, so she'll be able to see it later. Is there anything you want to say to her?
It's like an email, but with a picture.
Where's Sassy?
Maybe later.
Jessie's in Ohio still.
She's pretty far
We're
away.
making her a little video so she can see it online.
It'll be part of the letter. It'll be like sending a little letter. Is there anything you want to say to her? Hi, Jessie.
Hi, Jessie.
Yeah, you can make it up.
Hi, Jessie. I miss you.
That's nice, honey.
Really nice. Okay.
Okay, anyway.